Khulumbakhya jotto takhukte bukhuksong tai lamshago ani o channelo faidi chungtini nalainai Info1 Solutions ni hoite kaisa ketal job notification faimani nadi vacancy post ni bumongkha website developer tai play store posting kha agartala HQ Tripura tai type of job bongkha website web software development tai chila heke brui jotno oboni bagai apply khaimanai job starting in October 2021 ishimino tai nugimano post ni bomong pulana tongo senior website developer oboni bagai bengisi tongo kaisa no qualification nangnai HTML JS core PHP Laravel PHP framework CSS other relevant software high language etc. Owen bagai extra qualification nangnai Android high iOS knowledge Flutter Dart Firebase tai experience nangnai 1 year salary structure monthly income 12,000 ishimi 20,000 aboni pore next post ni bongkha junior website developer oboni bagai bo pekisito kaisa no qualification nangnai HTML JS core PHP Laravel PHP framework CSS other 11 software high language etc. Extra qualification nangnai Android high iOS knowledge Flutter Dart Firebase experience nai boro 6 month ni te oboni bagai anong salary janai 12,000 shimi 16,000 jora job profile ka senior web developer ni candidate have to develop website hike software as team leader bongno team leader hisabe chongjangnai aboni pore junior web developer ka candidate have to develop website hike software under senior developer bin under bongnaita please note hike ba how to apply send resume hike biodata with recent photograph into mentioned email address. Candidates are requested to mention the post name he or she is applying for. Shortlisted candidates will call for personal interviews. For shortlisted candidates, we may ask for some sample projects. No TA/DA will be provided for appearing in the interview hike training dates. Last date for sending a resume hike biodata hike CV 8 October 2021 takukte bukuksong noni resume hike biodata send kaidi noni recent photograph thapoi boni email address dai noni post ni bumong abo mention kaidi aboni pore je solicited enai no borok call khainai personal interviews ni bagai tai nongno je solicited ne rok bongno sample project rok khaifung dihne borok sanai te obon bagai nongno kuno TA hake dia rezaglak interview apply khemani te obon bagai last date ka 8 October 2021 nongni resume hake biodata hake CV pathunani bagai salary structure salary is divided into two sectors first one is provisionally period and second is contract period. The salary will gradually increase project-wise bonus and yearly incrementation etc. Noni salary no divide khai janai kaini sector puila angka provisional period manai ta second angka contract period. Noni jodi kuno somong tonghanke norok borbai karangi mar bongni contact number angka 9362740446 land number angka 0381796705 Location number tongo bongka 7005600643 Timing reject tongo 10:30 am nishimi 5 pm jora Please do not call before or after the retained time Send your resume hake experience certificates following email address obongka boni email address ogimano infobahnagat@gmail.com tai kashanka job job@infobahn.solutions interview date inka. Shortlisted candidate will be called for personal interview. Haike please bring following documents on interview date. Resume haike CV haike biodata, mask and sanitizer. Last date to 8 October shakano. Interview date and time will be so notified by telephone haike email. Takokte bukuk song nong no interview ni date borok hoite ba call khane hoite ba email di nong no shahor jang nai. Takokte bukuk song norok jodi interest tokhanke apply khemano jodi nong no qualification tokhanke ba tin bage ashak no belekino hambai khulum bakya.